Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I'll be comparing two Sally brand toners. The first one is Color Charm toner in T35, and the second is Generic Value toner in T35. If you would like to see the results of these findings, then please keep watching. Okay, here's our starting point. As you can see, his hair is very dark brown, and I'm going to have to lighten it. So presto, I've lightened her hair, and I'm going to go in with the toner. Okay, here are the two toners that we'll be using. It's the Generic Value T35, and that's going to be on your left hand side, and on the right I'm going to use Color Charm T35 toner on the right hand side. Right here I'm just showing you a video of the consistency. On the left, as you can see here, is the Generic Value toner. It's very soupy and runnery and has like a golden tan to it. On the right we have our Wella Color Charm. It's a little bit thicker in consistency, and it has like a, I don't know, like a brown, reddish brown, violet brown tone. Anyway, so right here I'm just showing you my application that I'm going to be using for, just to remind you, this is the Generic Value side on the left hand side, and we're going to watch me apply it onto the hair. I'm just taking the color and I'm applying it to the roots, and then I'm going to pull it through to the ends. So that's what I'm working on right now. It's a little bit soupy. You have to be careful when you apply it, because as I've shown you in a previous video, that it's actually very runny, and if you press it on too fast or whatever, it's drippy and it splashes everywhere and everything. So we're just taking a look at that right here. Okay, now that I've applied it throughout the entire this entire section throughout the roots, I'm going to comb it through for even distribution and make sure every single strand is coated with the toner. And I'm going to take that and clip that section and put it off to the side. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, right here I've made my way to the right hand side, and I'm applying, this is the Wella Color Charm in T35 toner, and again I'm applying it to the roots, and then once I've applied it throughout the entire roots on this section, I'm going to pull it through to the ends, and I'm going to comb it through. Okay, as far as the instructions for application, both of these toners use 1 part color to 2 parts developer, and it is to be used on damp towel dried hair, and you can process the hair for about 30 minutes, up to 30 minutes should I say. So you can leave it on for less time, but nothing more than 30 minutes. And so that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to do the max time limit, which is 30 minutes, and it's been applied to damp or towel dried hair. Okay, right here is the completed result. Again, on the left hand side, it's the generic value, and on the right is the Wella color charm, both in the T35. This is what the hair looks like after it's been completed. It's left wavy, but I'm going to go ahead and straighten it so I can see the difference. Okay, now that I've straightened the hair to get a better view of what I'm looking at, the color looks very similar. I can't really tell any difference between either side, which is very surprising because normally the great generic value brand, it comes out a bit warmer than the Wella color charm. So this has been a very interesting experiment. And if you can see any difference, please let me know, because honestly I don't see any difference from either side. They look almost identical, so that's interesting. Okay, I looked online to find out an explanation why this might have happened. And I do have a theory. The base of this particular color is violet gold, and beige hair color is a sandy blonde that controls warmth. So it's like in between. It's not exactly warm and not exactly cool, basically what I found out. So maybe that's why they look very much the same. Had it been an ashy or cool tone, generic value would have came out warmer like it always does, because I've done 2 videos on this particular product in comparison to the Wella color charm. Okay, this completes our experiment into determining the difference between Wella color charm T35 toner versus generic value T35 toner. I do hope this helps someone determine which toner they should get. In this case, it really didn't matter which one, as you've seen yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.